What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the Siri speech-to-text tutorial that you've been seeing on TikTok, such as the video behind me. I'm going to show you what you need to do and how you can apply it. I know you've probably been searching for it, but keep watching. Coming up next. So you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. We'll go ahead and hit that plus symbol right there. We'll go ahead and turn it around. You might see yourself, but I'm going to record my dog because he's always on one right now. I'm going to show you him, and we'll keep it under 15 seconds. So that's him over there. I don't know what he's doing. Let's go ahead and hit that record. Alright, so we'll do that. Cool. Alright, so we have that. It's just nothing, right? I could add music to it if I want to later. We'll go ahead to the bottom and we'll hit text. And I'm going to put my dog in dreamland while no, my dog be on one while he sleeps. Must have had some good food, or I know he ain't on drugs, but anyway. He'd just be like tilted over. So now we're going to go ahead and tap that, and it says at the very top, speech to text. And that's what most people don't know how to find it. It's right there. Let me go back to it.
My dog be on one while he sleeps.
So it's just really that simple.
My dog be on one while he sleeps.
Alright guys, that's it for the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, especially if you want to see more videos and tutorials like this. Share this video with someone who you know can benefit from it, and I will see you soon.